Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can combine more than one photo or video in one frame on CapCut. So here I'm going to click on new project and I'm going to select two or three videos. Okay, I'm going to add this one, and this one. And here, before you add, click on this like a collage options. Here you can choose the format and also the ratio. I'm going to click on the ratio first and I'm going to go with this. And here you can change the format by clicking on this. There are so many options that you can choose. For example, I'm going to just use this like horizontal video, and you can also adjust the positions like this. Okay, so that's up to you. Okay, after that you can click on continue and the video will be created like this. Okay, you can also do this for photos, but I'm using videos. Okay, so that is how you can combine more than one photo or video in one frame on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, click on thanks and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.